With me in studio now to unpack Adapt IT's first half numbers is company CEO Sbu Shabalala. Good to have you as always. Maybe a good starting point is to get clarity on the pronunciation of your company's name. Just a few of my colleagues the other day were debating whether it's Adapt It or Adapt IT, and I said Adapt IT.
Well, that's correct, Gugu. I think, you know, we're educating the public out there, but it is Adapt IT.
Exactly, and it's a company that surely is making waves across the globe. It does also seem, especially with the impressive set of numbers that you've published today. Headline earnings per share up by more than 35%. That's a shocker to me. It's quite a significant growth.
Certainly, I think the contribution that the underlying business has had in our results has manifested in two ways. One, 11% of the growth that we're reporting today comes from our organic growth. And also, if we look at the margin improvement, our profit margins have improved from 10% to around 14.5%, which shows the health of the underlying business. Together with that, we acquired the business of Sbu Unison, a SaaS software as a service business that focuses predominantly in telecom solutions, and that has contributed to the results. And 27% of what we're reporting emanates from acquisitive growth.
Tell us about the potential of software, because many people have highlighted this as a fast-growing sector when it comes to the IT domain.
Yes. Well, software, when we start looking at what it is we do, we enable our customers to streamline their processes and put controls in their normal business day-to-day process. And that becomes quite critical now in times where the market is down, where the markets are under pressure. Customers want to extract every efficiency they can get in their processes, and therefore software does that for companies. Are
you saying that the current weak and sluggish economic environment in South Africa might actually have a benefit to your organization?
Well, it should, but it's not a benefit that only accrues to our organization. It accrues to our customers as well, because our customers also get the benefit of ensuring that they have efficient processes and therefore get rid of any inefficiencies in their processes and make more money.
Tell us about that, because I understand that manufacturing was also a certain sector where you saw quite a significant boost to your profitability this year.
Yes, it's twofold. In manufacturing, we have our underlying business that has always provided efficiency solutions for the manufacturing sector. So we built warehouse management systems, supply chain management systems, but we've also added the telecoms service offering, and all it does is it extracts value for our customers in the telecoms spend, and so ensuring that they can save some money in these tough times, and that therefore the customers come to us for us to save them money, and so that's why we've seen an increase in manufacturing in the manufacturing sector. But that also extends to other sectors, and we've seen our supply chain management solutions in the energy space, in the oil and gas, have become very important, very, very critical for our customers, especially because the oil price has been depressed in the past while.
It's true. But I want to talk about this negative environment. Has any of it had an impact on your business and on your staff morale? And have you had to restructure, maybe to a certain extent, your strategy going forward? It's Eskom, it's the sluggish growth.
Yes, I think they're affecting every business. But for our business, we have ensured that we remain as efficient as possible, and therefore extract every efficiency we can get out of the business in this tough time, and make sure we don't have any fat in the business, as they call it.
Exactly. Streamlining and slimlining, it seems. Shareholders have shown an incredible amount of confidence in your company. Your share price has gone up significantly in the last year to date by at least 64%, and even further in the last 5 years. How do you continue to instill such confidence in them, especially given the advancement we've seen in your growth rate? Is it sustainable going forward?
Well, this question was asked 7 years ago, and it's still being asked. And I think all we can do is be consistent, and be consistent in executing on the strategy that we've set of ensuring that we drive growth that's higher than the ICT sector average. And we do that through a combination of organic growth, growing our underlying business in the sectors wherein we operate, and also supplementing that with strategic acquisitive growth that focuses on earnings-enhancing acquisitions and software businesses. And so we're now creating a platform wherein South African businesses can expose their services internationally and throughout Africa.
On the topic of acquisitions, can we expect any soon in the pipeline?
As I always say, at any given time, we're looking at more than one business. And we do that because we believe that we've got to find the right synergies within the businesses and understand management. And as we spend a lot of time post-acquisition in integrating these businesses into our fold, so at any given time we are looking at acquisitions, but they're driven by both the timing that we would like as well as the opportunity out there.
Exactly. Sbu, we wish you all the best and certainly look forward to catching up with you once again. That was Sbu Shabalala, who's the Chief Executive of Adapt IT.